Good day everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be discussing how you can automatically tell people in your platforms, that is your social platforms, that you have a new video in another platform. Take for instance, I am a YouTuber or you have a YouTube channel and you don't always want to go through the stress of uploading your YouTube video and going again and saying that you want to let people know on your Twitter account. How can you go around this? Okay, Power Automate has solved that by creating a flow that whenever you automatically load or automatically upload an image or a video into your YouTube channel, it automatically let people know on your Twitter account that you just uploaded a new video into your channel. Now, quickly, we click on our icon, then click on Power Automate. Now, once it comes up, you come to templates. We're still working with templates. Now, the next thing we want to do is you want to search for, um, you could search for Twitter. Now, you will notice you have some things on Twitter here, but we are looking for that with post to Twitter for Facebook videos, for YouTube videos that match some certain content. I don't want that. I want specifically that will just okay. Now I have this one that says share YouTube video on Twitter. Take for instance, I just uploaded video, so you just click this now. Now the next thing it requires you to do is to sign up your YouTube account and your Twitter account. Now, once you do that, the next thing you would notice is that if you sign up and you click continue, this is the page it will bring you to. Once it brings you to this page now, you can easily customize the message. Here now I have something that says check out this new video I just uploaded and the video's name is here. Now that's how you can quickly update your Twitter account when you create a new video. And once you are done, you click on save, and now you anytime you upload a YouTube video, it automatically shares on your Twitter account. Okay, that's how you can do that of Twitter. Now, take for instance, we want to do that for something like your blog site too. Now, all you just have to do is on the search button, just search for bloggers. Once you search for bloggers, you see where it says when a new post is published, share on Twitter. What it does now is you click on it. Now you would have to connect your bloggers account and your Twitter account, and you hit continue. Once you hit continue, it will bring out the flow that is working. I want to explain how that works. Now, what it does here is that it automatically picks my blog's name, which is Smart Gifted. Now, any post that is live, remember it's using an action card called when a post is created. Now, anytime I post a new um, blog post or any article on my blog, which the blog ID name is Smart Gifted, and it is live. Now, take note, you could have draft, you could have all, but I want specifically for just live. Now, once it is live, it should automatically post on my Twitter account that check out my new blog, and it will put URL of the video or of the blog post which contains any article that I just published on my blog. That is how you can use this template. And once you're able to configure it like this and you hit save now, now I can go into my blog posts, into my bloggers. Now once I go into my bloggers, I also want to go into my Twitter because we're going to be doing text for both now. Now I can click on add a new post. Once I add a new post, I can say text. Now the content will just be a text. Now I want to publish this. You say confirm. Once this is done now, if I come to my Twitter account and I check my profile now, I should see that post coming out very soon. Okay, if you don't see it, what could be happening is that maybe your flow, you have to start, we can say manual test, and then you go. Now it should run. Okay, it said run successfully. Let's see, was there any catch? Yes, yes. Okay, now let's go back to my Twitter, refresh. Yeah, now if you notice, it says check out my new post on so. That is how you can connect your Facebook, your bloggers to your Twitter account. Thank you very much and see you in another one.